What is the theme of World Consumer Rights Day 2021? Tackling plastic pollution. Which state has been ranked first in terms of MGNREGA employment? Chhattisgarh. The National Vaccination Day, National Immunization Day is marked on which day of the year in India? March 16. Who has become the first batsman to score 3,000 runs in T20 international cricket? Virat Kohli. Which country has taken over Saudi Arabia to become the second largest oil supplier of India as of February 2021? United States. Marvin Hagler, who has passed away, was one of the greatest legends in which field? Boxing. Which country has recently suspended the use of AstraZeneca's COVID-19 vaccine? Netherlands. Who has won the Album of the Year award at the Grammy Awards 2021? Folklore. Which is the new grievance redressal feature launched by NPCI on Bhim UPI app for the users? UPI Help. Which company has become the first member of India's first gas trading platform, the Indian Gas Exchange? Manikaran Power Limited. Who has been honored with the International Women of Courage 2021 award by US Consulate? Kausalya Shankar. Who has won the women's singles title at the 2020 All England Badminton Championship? Tai Tzu Ying. Which state has celebrated the 3 days long Kala Namak Rice Festival? Uttar Pradesh. Who has become the highest player to score 770 goals in football history? Cristiano Ronaldo. The Center for Advanced Radiation Shielding and Geopolymeric Material has been inaugurated in which city? भोपाल।